Eggplant parmesan or melanzane alla parmigiana is a very simple recipe of the Italian tradition, and it is also very easy to prepare. As usual, the ingredients are of paramount importance. The aubergines should be in the solid purple variety, and they also should be very fresh and turgid. I was very lucky today because I found these medium-sized aubergines at the local market. Normally you will find also the bigger ones, but this size is way better. Today we will cook for 2 people and we will use this baking tray. Once we have washed and dried the aubergines, we cut them in slices of half a centimeter. We cover them with salt and we drain them with a colander for at least half an hour. We squeeze them gently and then we wipe them with the kitchen paper. Meanwhile, we prepare the tomato sauce. We heat 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with a white onion and 1 carrot. We let it brown for about 1 minute and we add the tomato puree, some water and salt. Let's go up and cook for half an hour. Now it's time to fry. I use sunflower oil, otherwise you might use groundnut oil. We need to fry the aubergines until they brown. We drain them on paper towel. Now we are ready to put all things together. First, we make a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of the tray. Then we settle the first layer of sliced aubergines. We cover everything with another layer of tomato sauce. Then again we add mozzarella cubes, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, and you just keep going like that, layer by layer, until you reach the top of the tray. Every layer of aubergines need to be arranged perpendicular to the previous layer, and you also need to gently press each layer right before pouring the tomato sauce. Put the whole thing in oven, 200 degrees, for half an hour. Melanzane alla Parmigiana is believed not to be the most appropriate food for summer, and most of us often make jokes on the habit of our grandmothers to prepare it during the summer. But every time a Parmigiana is on our table, we all are so happy because it is so good and irresistible. Before serving, wait a few minutes after taking it off the oven. Now excuse me, I really have to go. My family is waiting for me, is waiting for my Parmigiana. Ciao da Francesca and Scola la pasta, the Italian way of making food.